What is it?
This is the great, the fantastic, the amazing sweeper.
Sweeper?
Yes, and I've got only 5 of them.
Only 5?
Yes, only 5.
How much are they? Are they expensive?
No, they are not expensive, they are cheap. These are the best, the smallest, the fastest sweepers in the world.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yes, it is. Do you have to do chores at home?
Yes, I have clean my room.
Right, then the sweeper is for you.
Roller castle with you, too scary. I want to eat hot dogs and ice cream, and a horse riding with you. I want to have some fun. How about you? Yes, let's go have some fun. Let's go to Funland, me and you. I want to visit Funland. I want to row rafting with you too. Oh, I want to have a picnic and sit in the park with you. I want to have some fun. How about you? Yes, let's go have some fun. Let's go to Funland, me and you. I want to visit Funland. I want to go to the haunted castle with you. Let's go! I want to take a lot of photos and have a lot of fun with you. I want to have some fun. How about you? Yes, let's go have some fun. Let's go to Funland.